Good morning, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax coming to you from beautiful Harbor Town, Dania Beach, Florida. Today we're going to take a look at this 2021 Aviara AV32 Outboard. Pretty slick graphics down the whole side in the gray and white. Stainless steel anchor. The windlass is hidden underneath a hatch. Pop-out cleats. Docking lights built into the rub rail. Big bow seating area, the craziest lighting and stereo system on these boats. Of course, USB ports, cup holders, grab rails. That center cushion will remove. And then you can pop up the wood table there. Really neat the way the windshield breaks off in line with the arch, giving this boat some very unique styling. Big fiberglass hardtop, sturdy as could be. They hide the fuel fills under a cap. You'll see the inserts. I have 4 on each side for the pop-in fenders. Coming around, take a quick look at the transom. You'll see we have plenty of juice. This has the 350 HP Verados ready to rock. You have a swim ladder there. Full SeaDeck style foam floors with a very unique slate tile pattern. One of the most unique back seats in the industry. Full storage underneath. Easy pop-ups. There's my battery switches, as well as plug in my battery charger, and then storage on this side. Cup holders galore. Let's say I want to face the kids while swimming. Pop up the backrest. Oh, let's say I wanted to get 6 people back here for fireworks. Pop up the bar stools. Got 3 of those coming across. This is a unique area, the way they do fender storage. Isn't that cool? They all drop right in their own little holes. Plenty of room for dock lines in there too. Transom block off door. Big old cockpit, removable table. Again, plenty of charging ports, USB connections, drink holders, storage under the seats and coolers. All right, let's get rid of commercials here. All right. Nice entertainment area, refrigerator, freezer. Good junk drawer, place to keep the bottle opener, of course. Pop the lid there. You've got your wet bar with sink. And then Aviara supplies you a nice vacuum molded cooler here. Easy slide out. Plus, under this seat, another cooler. And then storage under the other seats going around. Pretty spacious head for a day boat. Magnetic holder there. Storage lockers front and back, as well as trash bin, place for toilet paper under the sink. Tilt helm, double helm seat. This does have joystick steering, which will incorporate autopilot as well as skyhook. 144 hours on the engines. Nice Garmin GPS, and then my screen, I can control everything on the boat. Lights, compartments, cup coolers. The lighting's really far out on this boat. Stereo. All right, that's going to conclude our look at this 2021 Aviara. Oh, almost forgot to tell you. There are full covers for the boat, as well as a pop-out sunshade. Almost neglected that. All right, guys, Mike Ehrlich, MarineMax, 954-684-1375. Thanks.